I really had a tough time warming up and getting my shots going. But once the match started, I was really awake and ready to play.
Does the pace of play she puts when she's strong, is it good for you? So you can mix it up a little bit?
Yeah, but it's very fast, so it's, you have to deal with a lot of pace of her ground strokes, and she also has a good running shot, so even if I pull her wide, she's really covering her shots well out of the running, so it's not easy to see that ball, but and then the first set she gave me a lot of double faults, and in the second set it was really close.
Sometimes after the match you look like you just wanted to get some errors from Michelle. It was your tactic? Like putting the balls to just...
Yeah, I always moved her also, so it's not just waiting, but if someone plays that fast, I cannot play faster, so my goal is to move her and mix it up.
Do you see any potential there in her?
Oh, definitely. She's very young and she has already a lot of experience for her age, and she's working hard, so there's definitely a good future ahead of her.
You've been playing on the tour since the times that nobody screams when they hit the ball.
No, Celes.
One. Now there's a lot of players like that, like Michelle.
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
I forget it. I think it's not nice, and sometimes it's definitely too much, but for me, I play my game, and I don't care about what they do.
But does it bother you?
For me, it's okay, no. It's more if you play next to her, then it's bothering me, but if you play her, it's okay, I'm focused.
How do you see Switzerland's chances now, after 2 wins?
Yeah, we are right in there, and we have all the chances to become first in the group and to have that playoff match, and it definitely doesn't get easier, but we have some great players, a good spirit, and so physically we still have some energy.
Was it nice in a way to play with the home team?
Yes, I prefer to play on the center court with the people and getting involved, and that's very nice.
Was this your first win of the year?
Yeah, actually yes, but only my second match, but you can say that.
Thank you.
Thank you.